What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? Right now we are pulling up on the last garage on the list. I'm gonna park my bike here. And the final garage. This is gonna be a good one. So this one reveals basically my fastest car and most of my fastest cars. Starting it off with the Blazer, which I decked out for Christmas because I got them. They don't really show up that well on camera, but those are green rims with the red Blazer. And then I got my beautiful blue bike over here, my Lizard car. That's what I like to call it because it's dope as with the red rims. I got my Jester, which is black because this is a girl character, so I thought she could use some pink cars. This is my Vaga. That's some nice ass lowrider chrome rims. We got my Banshee. Ooh, I love those rims with the chrome lip on. Then we got. No, we're gonna save that one for later. Okay, so first, next we got the Coil Voltic. Ooh, that shit got fire wheels too. Then we have the T20, probably my fastest car. It's beautiful. We have this is I think my first truck, which was the Karen Rebel. But it's the not rusty one, so you can't really do what you can do to the rusty one with it. And last but not least, we have my Karuma, the armored one, which I like. And then, are we missing a biker?